Hi guys, it's Mahshid, your English teacher, and today we're going to talk about how to introduce yourself like a native speaker. So let's start. The first step is basic introduction. You say your name and you mention your country, your hometown. For example, hi, I'm Miguel. I'm from Italy. Okay? Now, let's step it up a little. Casual introduction, you say your name, where you're from, also add a hobby or something you like. For example, hi, I'm Miguel. I'm from Italy and I love cooking. Okay? And even another step higher, advanced introduction. In advanced introduction, you say your name as usual, but add more details, as much details as possible. But don't forget, never ramble on. Don't talk too much. Add your background, your passion, your job, your age, and anything that matters. Hi, I'm Miguel. I live in Paris, but I'm originally from Italy. I'm a photographer and I enjoy cooking. So, name, country, and detail, his job, and something he likes. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in comment sections and also follow me on Instagram for more tips on how to introduce yourself. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.